Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Supernova Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5. This one is promoted as a high performance trading system, especially on pairs like USDJPY on the 1 hour time frame, and the developer backtest looked decent with high win rates, but I ran my own 1-year backtest to see the real story. So let's get right into it. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT5 and MT4 that has lots of indicators and candlesticks built in, and you can use the link in the description below to download it. It's totally free. So, talking about the Supernova Expert Advisor, it was developed by Michael Prescott Bunny, and he is from the United States. He's quite popular. He has 201 products and 5 comments so far, and this expert advisor has just 2 reviews from traders who have bought it and 1 comment from also another person. Basically it doesn't have much here, but it was last updated on March 8, 2024, and also this expert advisor goes for $30. Now let's get down into the details. It is a sophisticated automated system that uses advanced algorithms for entries on major pairs, especially the USDJPY. It focuses on scalping or short-term opportunities with strict risk controls, and the key highlights include low drawdown in their tests, high profit factor, excellent recovery, and a strong win rate around 83%. Also, they show thousands of trades with consistent performance, minimal equity swings, and features like spread protection, equity safeguards, and flexible position management. It's marketed as reliable for USDJPY and similar pairs with set and forget potential after optimization. Now, for the features and settings which they push, let's look at the inputs, the settings. We have the entry lot sizing, the max open positions, the spread limits, and also there's the Sunday trading controls and various protections for equity and daily losses. This expert advisor is positioned as user-friendly with default parameters that deliver results across different market conditions. So it's also backed by extensive backtesting data showing stable growth. But I ran my own backtest from June 2025 to June 2026 on USDJPY on the 1 hour time frame, and I ran it on a $10,000 deposit on every tick based on real ticks modeling, zero latency, ideal execution. And looking at the numbers, total net profit came in at a loss of about $175 minus $175, and we also have a profit factor of 0.78, a max equity drawdown around 2%. It took a massive 1,348 trades in total with a decent overall win rate of 77%. Strong on shorts, and the equity curve shows a gradual downward drift with choppy action and a fewer bigger dips. Compared to the developer's low drawdown and positive results, this is more realistic and disappointing for a Supernova. The features that matters are the position limits and the protection. All of this kept the drawdown low, and also the core logic struggle with net losses and slippage, and also the ranging market. Yeah, the thing is, high trade count often hides the risks in live conditions. So you should be careful about the slippages and use a good broker also to account for spreads. Now that's all from my backtest. Look at some of the trades that it took. Have several trades being opened at the same time. Basically, it took so many trades. It takes so many trades. There are no filters to filter the good and bad trades. It just takes any trade that matches or fits the description, the strategy. Basically, that is its own way of trading. So I have to respect that. And that is all for the Supernova Expert Advisor. My verdict is that it's a high frequency expert advisor with decent risk tools, but the backtest gap shows typical optimization pitfalls. My nuances will include heavy broker or spread dependency on 1 hour and vulnerability in non-trending markets. Implications will mean that it can grind small wins, but one bad stretch hurts. It's for experienced traders who optimize per pair and monitor closely, but I'll say you should avoid this expert advisor if you want consistent profits, or you want low activity or hands off on prop accounts. But I'll advise you to demo test this expert advisor thoroughly before you make any decision. Demo test it with other pairs, other time frames, but based on the recommended time frame and based on the default inputs which we used for our backtest, you can see the results it gave compared to their own backtest, which showed massive results and good equity curves, balance curves. Well, that's it for the Supernova. I know you like this review, so you like the video and subscribe and hit notifications for more expert reviews like this one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next. I will get to it. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. The link is there, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe out there.